Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the amazing benefits of natural foods for our well-being. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pumpkin seeds, nature's very own multivitamin. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are the edible seeds of the pumpkin, and they are packed with an incredible array of nutrients that make them one of the healthiest snacks you can enjoy. Let's start by talking about the nutritional powerhouse that is pumpkin seeds. These little seeds are loaded with protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. First and foremost, pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of protein, making them an ideal snack for vegetarians and vegans. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains about 9 grams of protein, which is equivalent to the protein content of an egg. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in fiber, with about 2 grams per ounce. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a feeling of fullness. When it comes to vitamins and minerals, pumpkin seeds are a true powerhouse. They're particularly high in magnesium, which is crucial for hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle function, nerve function, and blood pressure regulation. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them roasted as a crunchy snack, sprinkle them on top of salads or soups, blend them into smoothies, or use them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Another great way to enjoy the nutritional benefits of pumpkin seeds is by making pumpkin seed butter. Simply blend roasted pumpkin seeds in a food processor until smooth and creamy, adding a touch of oil if necessary. Spread it on toast, use it as a dip for fruit slices, or drizzle it over pancakes or waffles for a tasty and nutritious treat. Pumpkin seeds can also be used to add a crunchy texture and nutty flavor to savory dishes. Try tossing them into stir-fries, sprinkling them on top of roasted vegetables, or mixing them into rice or quinoa dishes for an extra boost of nutrition. If you're always on the go, why not whip up a batch of pumpkin seed trail mix? Simply combine roasted pumpkin seeds with your favorite nuts, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of spices like cinnamon or cayenne pepper for a delicious and portable snack that's perfect for fueling your adventures. And let's not forget about pumpkin seed soup. This creamy and comforting soup is made by blending roasted pumpkin seeds with broth, vegetables, and spices until smooth and velvety. It's a nutritious and satisfying meal that's perfect for chilly days. So there you have it, folks. The incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds and creative ways to incorporate them into your diet. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, spread, or topping, there's no denying that pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can support your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.